There's 20 moves to pick between on the first turn, each one of those leading into lines never explored before, and you still decide to play your games like this. Well, it doesn't matter, because in this video I'll show you the best ways to open a chess game.
What's this? How do I play Caro-Kann now? Gotham Chess didn't teach me this.
A3 will confuse low elo players since they learn theory without understanding the meaning behind each move. You'll be giving up your first move privileges, so this is like playing black is white. This isn't a bad move, but it doesn't accomplish much either. Mid. A4. This is what happened when Magnus played A4, and this is what would happen if you tried playing A4. This move is only played for the jokes, otherwise it's garbage. Finally, we're getting somewhere. This is the opening Hikaru uses to crush the top players. You will have to Fianchetto your bishop. The advantage of this opening is that black might not be used to this and might fall for traps like this. We're gonna go with legendary on this one. Ah yes, before. This is the Polish opening. Instead of playing in the center, you're going to fight for a queenside advantage. Either way you're gonna lose more than you win, so I don't recommend it. As weird as this move looks, it's not that bad. It's like you're playing Caro-Kann as white. It also allows you to play London. It's going into the good tier. C4. You're gonna be putting pressure on this light square with multiple pieces. This opening is highly accepted by many grandmasters, so it's going into the amazing tier. There is absolutely no reason for any living soul to play this horrible move. Going into the garbage. That's better. Fighting for the space in the center as you're supposed to. Straight into the legendary tier.
Wait, so London is legend?
No. E3. This move is a little passive, but after a few moves you're doing just fine. Mid-tier. According to Bobby Fischer, this is the best opening. Legendary tier. Anyways, F3 goes into garbage tier. F4. If you learn your theory you're probably gonna be fine, but still there's better moves to pick that don't weaken your king. Oh yes, this is a good move. They'll grab the center and now you pick off their center pawns. Newbies will already be out of theory. Legendary tier. This is called the Grob opening. It gives you a -1 disadvantage right away. It should only be played if you're a Grob master like Hikaru. Garbage. H3 is the same as A3. You're losing tempo for no reason, but you're gonna be fine. Mid. I think this one is self-explanatory. 4 knight moves remain, so let's wrap this up.
Both of these are going into the trash right away.
These two are definitely legendary. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe for more of these.